Today, I'm going to show you how to change your friend emojis on Snapchat. Personalizing your emojis can add a fun touch to your friends list. Let's dive right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Now tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down until you find the additional services section. Tap on emojis, friend emojis. This is where you can customize the friend emojis. Here you can see a list of different emojis used for different friend interactions like best friends, snap streaks, and more. To change your emoji, simply tap the emoji next to it. This will bring up a list of available emojis. Select the emoji you would like to use. Once you pick one, it will automatically update. Just go back and it will simply update. And that's it. You've successfully changed your emoji of your friend. Now your friend list is uniquely yours.